Alright, everyone on YouTube, well, there's some cyan light from the pin spotlight. Got a few disco dots everywhere. Today, I'm going to play a jig. It's going to comprise of a couple of tunes. But we're going to play it on the Irish tin whistle. Alright, here we go. I've been practicing this Irish tin whistle a lot lately, and it is really cool. I like it. Like I said, I actually got this a couple weeks ago, and I've been playing it ever since. But here we go. Here is our little Irish session. Turn this up a little bit. Here we go. And there we go. There is our little Irish session demonstrating the Irish tin whistle. And there we go. Thanks for watching, and more to come later.